The sum of a sequence of 5 consecutive integers is 5. What is the greatest number in this sequence? Let's solve this step by step. First, let the middle integer of the 5 consecutive numbers be x. Because they are consecutive, we can write the 5 integers as x minus 2, x minus 1, x plus 1, and x plus 2. Now let's add them together and set the sum equal to 5. When we combine the terms, the numbers cancel out perfectly, leaving us with a simple equation: 5x equals 5. Divide both sides by 5, and we get x equals 1. So the middle number is 1. Let's list the full sequence of 5 consecutive integers: -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, the greatest number in this sequence is 3.